When you begin working in Google Drive, you often find yourself keeping more and more things online. When you want to reference them or a particular web page or something, it's nice to be able to keep everything in one place and then just have links to those particular documents or sites or whatever. And I realized that I hadn't done a video on how to add in hyperlinks in Docs or other Google file types, so I thought I would remedy that right now. So hyperlinks in Docs are very easy. First off, if you were to go to any particular web page, I'm just going to go to google.com, and you were to copy that URL and paste it, as soon as you move away from that, like you push space or you push enter, it will automatically make it a hyperlink. So if you were to click on it, it will allow you to visit that website. It also allows you to change and remove it. Now, I don't really like looking at URLs in my document, so I want to show you how we can change that we pasted in. If you click change, you can change the link that it goes to. You can also change the text that shows up. So I still want to go to google.com, but this time what I want people to see is Google search. So I'm going to click apply. And now it looks like Google search, and when I click on it, it still takes me to the right place. It's just this time I don't have the kind of www ugly stuff, and it looks better if in my document, and it's a little bit cleaner. Now you can also hyperlink text that you already have. So this time Google, I'm just going to call it Google. I typed that in and I want to link it to this particular URL. What I need to do is select the text you want to have the hyperlink go to. And you can either use Control-K or Command-K, or you can click the little link icon up at the top of your screen. If I click that, it opens up a place for me to paste in my link. You notice though that there were a few other options too. So before I even pasted it, it saw the word Google highlighted and it gave me some options. So I can select right from there. I didn't even have to go to the URL in order to get it. You'll also notice that something else showed up. The other thing that showed up was a presentation that I have that mentions the word Google in it. So I can click on that and it will link to my presentation that has that in there. Super cool. You can use that actually to do some web research as well. I've been talking about exponential functions a lot, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to do Command K. And what it does first is it gives me a couple of different web results. And here it shows me Purple Math. That's an awesome site. And it shows me a couple of different documents that I have set up. If I wanted to open them up to try them, I could click the little arrow button. And I can also do a little bit more expanded searching by clicking that Find More. And what it does is that opens up the Explore tool, which I did another video on, in your sidebar, and you can link to various websites there and go see what's on them. So that's how you can add hyperlinks in documents. Now, one thing to note is that adding hyperlinks in any other Google file is exactly the same. You select what you want to hyperlink. So here I'm going to select it. Oops. You either use Control-K or Command-K, or click the link icon. You paste in your URL or use the search options, and I'm going to use that one. Say apply, and your hyperlink is live and ready to use. So that's how you add hyperlinks in Docs as well as in Sheets, Slides, and Drawings too.